He was a mariner, a ship sailor, once become lost at sea and remained lost for 21 days. Imagine 21 days. 21 days he was at sea alone. So he was saved. Someone asked him what the greatest lesson he took from that experience. So the man answered, the biggest lesson that I learned from it was that if you have a fresh water and sufficient food, you should never complain. Someone said life in its entirety is a morsel of food and drink of water. Whatever exceeds, that is excess. So the lesson from this story is you should never feel deprived as long as you have a loaf of bread, a glass of water, and clothes on your back.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان